Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A PDF portfolio has two main views, Layout and Details. By default, Acrobat displays a portfolio in the Layout view. The Layout view shows the portfolio pane at the left side of the screen with thumbnail images in the pane, and the portfolio toolbar at the top of the pane. In the Layout view, the main document window displays the contents of whichever thumbnail you click in the portfolio pane. To display the Details view of a portfolio, select View, Portfolio, Details from the menu bar. In the Details view, Acrobat displays the PDF portfolio's contents in a table layout. The top half of the screen displays a list of the files within the portfolio and shows details about each. The bottom half of the screen displays the contents of whichever file you click in the top half of the screen. In either view, you can also enable a full-size Preview File mode by selecting View, Portfolio, Preview File from the menu bar. Doing this then shows a full-sized preview of the currently selected portfolio content within the view. You can close this view by clicking the small X button to the right of the portfolio content's title that is also to the right of the previous and next buttons in the small bar above the content preview. Alternatively, you can select View Portfolio from the menu bar and then choose one of the other two main views from the side menu of choices that appears. As part of Acrobat's streamlining of the customization features of portfolios and to lessen their dependence on Flash, the only theme options that you have for any portfolio views in Acrobat DC are light gray or dark gray. To change your portfolio's theme view in Acrobat DC, select View, Display Theme from the menu bar. Then select either light gray or dark gray from the side menu of choices that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.